OneDrive. Syncing OneDrive to your computer. Before you start, make sure you have OneDrive for Business installed on your computer. Navigate to OneDrive through your browser. This opens up My Files. You can press Sync here to sync all the files that are currently saved in your OneDrive. However, you might prefer to select only certain folders. In this case, I'm going to choose Coding Club. Once I've opened it, I can click Sync here and then close these pop-ups. When my computer has finished syncing these files, if I open up File Explorer, I will now see the OneDrive icon in my menu. If I click here, I can then see those files that are in that Coding Club folder on my desktop through my File Explorer. You can see here there's an icon that shows me that this is saved to my OneDrive, and files with a person next to them show me that these are shared. If I need to use the file frequently, I might want to click on Always Available on this device. That way, if I do not have internet connection, I can still access the file.